How to enable family pairing on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable family pairing on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile, and here you will find these three lines here in the top corner. Click on it and click settings and privacy. Now scroll down, here you will find family pairing. Click on it and click continue and select here or anything you want and click next. And now just scan your parent QR code. Just click here and scan it, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.